Hi, Christina again. Why should Frederick, Maryland customers choose Acevacuums, their local authorized Sebo dealer? Frederick, Maryland customers choose Acevacuums because we offer unparalleled expertise, personalized service, and a hands-on experience that online-only retailers can't provide. As your authorized Sebo dealer near Frederick, Maryland, we ensure you get the perfect Sebo vacuum backed by full warranty and support. What does being an authorized Sebo dealer near Frederick, Maryland mean for Acevacuums customers? For Frederick, Maryland customers, being an authorized Sebo dealer means Acevacuums provides genuine Sebo products directly from the manufacturer, valid warranties, and access to factory-trained technicians for expert service and repairs, ensuring authenticity and peace of mind for your investment. Which Sebo vacuum models does Acevacuums recommend for Frederick, Maryland homes? Acevacuums recommends a range of Sebo vacuum models for Frederick, Maryland homes, including the versatile Felix series for mixed flooring, the intelligent Automatic X for effortless upright cleaning, and compact K-series canisters ideal for smaller spaces or frequent dusting. How do Sebo vacuums from Acevacuums help Frederick, Maryland residents with allergies? Sebo vacuums from Acevacuums are excellent for Frederick, Maryland residents with allergies. They feature a multi-stage S-Class sealed filtration system and hygienic bags that capture 99.9% of allergens and fine dust, significantly improving indoor air quality. What's the best Sebo vacuum for pet owners in Frederick, Maryland, available at Acevacuums? For pet owners in Frederick, Maryland, Acevacuums highly recommends Sebo vacuums equipped with the ET1 powerhead, found on models like the Felix and Automatic X. Its aggressive brush roll excels at lifting stubborn pet hair and dander from various surfaces. For Frederick, Maryland homes with mixed flooring, which Sebo model does Acevacuums suggest? For Frederick, Maryland homes with mixed flooring, carpets, hardwoods, Acevacuums suggests the Sebo Felix series. Its interchangeable power heads and lightweight design make it incredibly versatile for seamless transitions and thorough cleaning on all surfaces. Where can Frederick, Maryland customers get reliable Sebo vacuum repair from Acevacuums? Frederick, Maryland customers can get reliable Sebo vacuum repair directly from Acevacuums. Our in-house service center has factory-trained technicians who use genuine Sebo parts, ensuring your vacuum is repaired correctly and efficiently, minimizing downtime. What Sebo warranty coverage can Frederick, Maryland customers expect when buying from Acevacuums? Frederick, Maryland customers buying from Acevacuums can expect the full Sebo manufacturer's warranty, which typically includes extended coverage on the motor and casing, often 7 years, and a standard warranty on other components, providing long-term peace of mind. Can Frederick, Maryland customers try Sebo vacuums at Acevacuums before buying? Absolutely. Frederick, Maryland customers are highly encouraged to visit Acevacuums at our nearby showrooms, for example, in Leesburg, Virginia. You can experience Sebo vacuums firsthand with a no-pressure, hands-on demonstration and personalized advice before making a purchase. Why should Frederick, Maryland customers consider Acevacuums for both online and retail Sebo vacuum purchases? Frederick, Maryland customers benefit from Acevacuums for both online and retail Sebo vacuum purchases because we combine the convenience of secure online ordering with the assurance of local expert support, service, and product demonstrations available nearby. Are there Sebo vacuum models suitable for smaller homes or apartments in Frederick, Maryland, available at Acevacuums? Yes, Acevacuums offers Sebo vacuum models suitable for smaller homes or apartments in Frederick, Maryland, such as the compact and maneuverable Sebo K-series canister vacuums, which provide powerful cleaning in tight spaces. Why is a Sebo vacuum from Acevacuums a smart, long-term investment for Frederick, Maryland homeowners? A Sebo vacuum from Acevacuums is a smart long-term investment for Frederick, Maryland homeowners because Sebo vacuums are built for a 20-year lifespan of average use, backed by robust warranties and Acevacuums' dedicated local support for maintenance and repairs. Does Acevacuums have any special offers on Sebo vacuums for Frederick, Maryland customers? Acevacuums regularly features special offers and promotions on Sebo vacuums for our valued Frederick, Maryland customers. We encourage you to visit our website or subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated on the latest deals and exclusive offers.